welcome to Food for Thought. I'm Chef Richard, and there's been a lot of talk lately about fresh catch in the area. And what we wanted to do today is introduce you to what we think is real fresh catch. This week at the club, we are doing swordfish. This is a 70-pound swordfish. It was caught off the coast of Pompano. It's fresh off the boat, and this is what our members are going to be enjoying this week. So we're going to do a little breakdown of this, and at that point, we're going to have it ready for the membership, and it's going to be the best thing out there. We're going to take this whole fish, turn it around. Bisect it right across here. And then we have one beautiful fillet of swordfish there.
All leather skin fish are made like that.
Rib cage comes out. And we have our second fillet of swordfish here at Bonita Bay Club. We're looking forward to seeing you at the club and joining your dining experience. Have a great day.